Doon malayo.
Awarding of the graduates.
For the third place, blow out now. Miss Nasrima S. Imam. Third place, massage therapy and reflexology ideal for caregiver. Yes, palakpak naman. For the second place, Miss Shadalyn F. Guban. Yeah. Manager. Congrats! Okay. For the hair and beauty culture, ay, sorry. Nakalimutan ko, special to, first place. Kinabahan tuloy. For the first place, ito na yung valedictorian. MacGyver H. Natividad. Yes. With his special guest. For the three students, please come forward to the stage. On the front of the stage for the picture with your instructor. Okay. And please come forward on stage the instructors of Hair and Beauty Culture for the awarding of medals. For the second place, Miss Normina Hamdani Madyar. O diba, magaganda na yung mga hair and beauty culture. Magaling na mag-makeup, mag-trim. Thank you, congratulations. And the first place, Rosemary P. Torrente. Yes. Okay, for the picture taking, please come here in front of the stage. Forward na kayo doon with the picture. Okay. Forward. Yes. Para may souvenir sila. Thank you, graduates. Please come forward, the self-repair instructor. He's here already, Mr. Jeff Estrada. Sorry. Okay. For the second place, Abdurrahman A. Satari. Congratulations. Hindi man kayo mga repair shop ng cellphone. Kasi halos lahat mga tao may hawak ng mga gadgets. Okay? For the first place, Mr. Alberto B. Bristol. Mamaya paparepair ako. Cellphone ko. Workshop, Mr. Giovanni Sabroso.
Pang-prinsipe yung ko mo.
For the second place,
Kaya, paporma pang-prinsipe.
Mr. Jonas C. Ambol. Wala pa.
Matagal ah. Sabi ko, tagal.
For the first place, Mr.
Pagawa ko yung
Dennis
rep
B.
ko.
Juneda. Yay!
Ano yung forma ko ay pang-prinsipe yung ano ko. Pang-sort natin, pang-prinsipe na eh.
Okay. Okay, we can continue. The awarding of certificates for appreciation to all guests. To our special guests.
Okay, ating operator, may paki-punang konti. Ating mga guests, stay po kayo dyan at ating pong i-award ang ating plaque of certificate sa ating guest of honor. So, Ma'am Rose, advisor rin, ikaw ang magbasa nito.
Jeffrey Salis Estrada Technical Institute, or JCTI, Jeddah Chapter, Western Region, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to Honorable Marlene E. Jamero, Welfare Officer, Polo Owa, Philippine Consulate General in Jeddah, KSA, in grateful recognition for your valuable support or valued support as our guest of honor to our seminar graduation on massage therapy, an ideal for caregiver, hair and beauty culture, tailoring and dressmaking, culinary arts, cell phone repair workshop, refrigeration and air conditioning repair workshop. Given this 27th day of August 2021 at the La Parrilla International Cuisine at Al Rauda, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, yours truly as an advisor. Signed, Shihan Alfredo G. Dizon as advisor. Signed, Jeffrey Salis Estrada, President and Founder, and signed advisor and advisor, Mary Consul General Mary Jennifer Dingal. Press, please present and do the honor.
Now we are awarding for the certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Honorable Benicio D. Legaspi, Advisor Jesse T. Ijensky, Director General, OCL Jeddah KSA. In recognition of your value support as our advisor to our seminar graduation on massage therapy and ideal for caregiver, hair and beauty culture, tailoring, dressmaking, culinary arts, cell phone repair workshop, refrigeration and air conditioning repair workshop, given this 27th day of August 2021 at the La Parrilla International Cuisine at Al Rauda, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed by Advisor Jesse T.I. Sihan Alfredo G. Tiason, Consul General Advisor Mary Jennifer Dingal, and President and Founder of Jesse T.I. Jeddah Western Region, Jeffrey S. Estrada. Another certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Ibrahim Rolly D. Alano, Chairman Bangsa Maguindanao Group BMUG Jeddah KSA, and a grateful recognition for your valued support as our guest to our seminar, graduation of massage therapy and ideal for caregiver, hair and beauty culture, tailoring and dressmaking, culinary. Given this 27th day of August 2021 at the La Parrilla International Cuisine, Al Rauda, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed by Mr. Benicio D. Legaspi, Director General of OCL, Shihan Alfredo G. Tiason, Advisor of Jesse T.I., and Consul General Mary Jennifer Dingal, and President of Jesse T.I., Jeffrey S. Estrada. Another certificate of appreciation to Mr. Ernesto A. Apollo, DDG External Affair, OCL Jeddah KSA, given this 27th day of August 2021 at the La Parrilla International Cuisine, Al Rauda, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Another certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Alfredo G. Tiason, Advisor Jesse T.I. Ijensky Jeddah Chapter, same assigned by Benicio D. Legaspi, Director General of OCL, Martin Jennifer Dingal, Consul General, Jeffrey Estrada, President and Founder of Jesse T.I. Certificate of appreciation to Mr. Idelfonso S. Poleros, signed by Advisor of Benicio A. Legaspi, Advisor, Director General of OCL. Shihan Alfredo Tiason, Advisor JTCI, signed by Mary Jane of Consul General, Jeffrey Estrada, President Founder of JTCI. Idelfonso S. Poleros, Advisor, JCTI Jetski Jeddah Chapter, Western Region, KSA. Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Cesario V. Bencito, Founder, Comando Jeddah, KSA. Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Ronaldo V. Luna, Manager, La Parrilla International Cuisine, Jeddah, KSA.
Pakitawag po si Ronald. Actually, guest din natin siya ngayon. Hindi daw siya nakabili ng pang purma. Busy daw siya sa kusina. Siya daw yung pagluluto daw tayo ng masarap. Yan. Bro, Ronald. Antayin lang po natin para...
Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Romeo B. Capili, Chairman, Founder, Philcom Jeddah, KSA. Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Icon Ilumar E. Dingal, Advisor, JCTI, Jetski, PCG, Jeddah, KSA. Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Ronaldo B. Luna, Manager, La Parrilla International Cuisine, Jeddah, KSA. Is grateful recognized for your valued support as our guest to our seminar, Graduation on Massage Therapy, Ideal for Caregiver, Hair and Beauty Culture, Tailoring and Dressmaking, Culinary Arts, Cell Phone Repair, Workshop, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Repair. Given this 27th day of August 2021 at La Parrilla International Cuisine, Al Rauda, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Thank you po, maraming salamat po sa ating mga bisita, sir.
Yung graduation song ninyo. Habang nangawit kami, nangawit ang ating mga guests, kakantahan tayo ngayon ng ating mga graduates. So, be ready sa inyong graduation song habang nire-ready ang ating pananghalian. Okay, pagkatapos ng ating mga graduation song, ating mga trainers, be ready sa inyong mga content, ha? Mga message. Ma'am Ems, back to you.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting for me. I go on my own through the dark, through the door, through the walls before, but it feels like home. And they can say it all sounds crazy. They can say it all lost my mind. I'm there, I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we desire. The brightest stars fill my head, a million dreams are keeping me away. I think about the world could be a vision of the sea. A million dreams are Especially days I can find each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say they lost their mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. Run away to a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest stars fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be. brightest stars fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Think what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. You can give us the short message from our current speakers.
Sandali po. Mayroong inandang message si Bro Ronald. Bro, meron lang isang Bro Ronald, ang manager ng La Parilla.
At i-convince rin po ang mga kapatid nyo, kaibigan nyo, gusto kapatulya. Hello po. I-invite ko sila na patuloy gusto para inaalis nila dalagdagan. Maraming salamat po. At kung gano'n po kayong mga dito po sa La Parilla, gano'n ng mga events, mga gathering, punta lang po kayo dito. Pwede tayo po dito. Ano mga sasakit? Sa sunod na graduation nyo ulit, libre na kayo. Kung gagawin kayo yan.
Gagawin talaga mag-change course mga yan. Okay, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Ronald. Yan po ang tatawagin natin ng mga STI trainers and trainers. From Beauty Culture, Miss Liz Reyes.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, lalo-lalo na po sa ating mga panauhing pandangal. Maraming po salamat sa inyong mga pangarap. Sa ating mga graduates, congrats sa inyong lahat. Sana maging gabay sa inyo ang inyong mga nakukuhan. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa inyong lahat.
Massage therapy,
Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat, lalo po sa ating mga special guests na dumating at sa mga estudyante. Ako po ay pusong nagpapasalamat sa pag-attend ninyong lahat. Ayan, estudyante na nag-graduate, good luck po sa inyong lahat na sana po ay maging successful kayo sa ating mga good luck po sa ating lahat. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, lalo na po sa aming mga bisita galing sa OWA Polo, sa aming director na si Benny, thank you so much. Thank you po sa laging support sa amin. Researches. Salamat po. Sa aming mga estudyante, congratulations sa inyo lahat. Lalo na po sa aming mga estudyante. Huwag kayong tumigil sa pagsaliksik o paghanap kapag pag-research sa mga, lalo na sa inyo, sa aming mga estudyante sa massage. Keep on learning, huwag tayong hihinto. Pagdating natin sa Pinas, marami tayong na isi-share sa ating mga kababayan. Thank you so much.
Yes, and video for massage too. Good afternoon, everybody. Lalo na sa ating Polowa, sa ating advisor, Sir Vinny, sa ating president ng GCTI, Jess Estrada, at sa ating mga bisita. Good afternoon. Sa ating graduates, palakpakan nyo ang mga sarili ninyo. Kahit every Friday, na tayo nakikita, nagtsatsaga kayo pumasok para sa inyong dagdag kaalaman. Huwag kayong magsawa, magagamit niya kahit umuwi pa tayo sa Pilipinas for good, magagamit natin yan. Ingatan sa massage therapy, ingatan niyo ang mga kamay. Dahil yan ang puhunan natin upang tayo magtagumpay. Maraming salamat.
Hello, Day. Kumusta ka na? Ganda-ganda naman ang hair mo, Day.
Model ako dyan. Ako ang model.
Actually.
Sorry po, binigyan pa. Ang ating instructors sa aircon, refrigeration and air conditioning, repair shop.
Hindi ka mag-speech?
Hindi, ako na ako.
Ha?
Ayaw mag-speech. Saan ka kay Ma'am Norma?
Ako? Di ba yung si Jeffrey, estudyante ni Shihan Paul sa karate?
Ay, oo.
Nakalimutan.
Kasi nakatakip yung mukha mo. My God.
Tapos, saan kang salon ngayon?
Doon ako ngayon sa Sapaw.
Anong salon yun?
Sa Joel.
Ang Jewel na ngayon yun? Ang Sapa?
Sa Sapa. Hindi yung Joel na sabi ko parang nakikilala ko siya. Hindi kasi siya nakikilala ko.
Hindi niya ako nakilala.
Kaya hindi kita
Sa Jean
nakilala.
Louis David.
Ay, oo.
Jeffrey is
Kaya parang sabi ko, kilala ko siya talaga.
Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa lahat mga graduates. Araw nyo ngayon ito. Gaya ng sabi ko, lahat kayo ngayon, lahat ng section may sayaw.
Ako magsasayaw.
Alam ko, nag-practice kayo lahat.
Mga bata, magsasayaw.
Nakakas kong mag-congratulate sa
Bakit di ka umupo doon sa tabi ng
mag-encourage sa ating mga
Hindi ako pinaupo doon. Dito daw ako.
cellphone repair.
Mag-scratch ka ng
20 dapat yung aking estudyante ngayon. Kaya lang, nawala yung zero. Kaya naging 2 na lang. Congratulations sa
Ano mo kaibigan
Albert
mo?
at
Pupunta daw dito.
Aran. Nandun pala, welcome ang kanyang aking mga kaibigan,
Oo,
si
tawagan mo nga.
Mr. Sakari.
Kasi nagagalit na kamo yung ano.
So, ang aking konsep po repair ay hindi man po ngayon. So, na-encourage ko, babae man o lalaki ay pwede po mag-aral ng cellphone. Bawat isang tao ngayon, hindi lang isang cellphone sa dalawa. So,
Ano kayo ng pen ng juice?
yan ang nakikita ko na
May juice ba?
hindi mo
Ano ba na yun?
cellphone repair. Kaya na ang video, muna. Ngayon,
Maya na.
ang cellphone may video na yan. So, meron din ang ating aircon. Dito sa Saudi, ang aircon ay kailangan. So, congratulations sa ating mga technicians. Ang ating po ino-offer na ating mga technical trainers na pwede pong babae at lalaki. Nakafocus pa tayo sa mga crew walls at sa mga maintenance. Hindi lang po yung kanang electronics, wala po tayong pagkalan. So, mga next season natin. So, congratulations sa ating graduates at maraming salamat sa ating mga bisita. Nakaluto na yata, nakahanda na yung ating manimay na ng kaunti. Habang tayo nakatay, ang ating mga inandang intermission natin. So, maraming salamat at congratulations sa inyong mga graduates.
Meron po tayong pagkakas kasi yung
Still changing.
I second the motion, Carol.
Nakaredy na ba kayo? O yung mga lahat ng officers na muna ang sasayaw? Walang pass dito. Lahat akyat sa stage pag yung mga officer.
Hindi.
Dito na tayo mag-practice dito sa stage.
Close lang nakalagay na. Oo. Oh, sige. Oh, sige. Halika, pumasok ka na. Sige.
Hello, sila po ang mga SPI dancers.
You know I'm gonna get you, yeah, whatever it takes to get there. No, I won't drop you, like everybody else does. Forget about your friends, they don't care when we go. If we do good and long, then I'd rather be go. I'm gonna be for you forever, baby, we go. We go. In this crazy opportunity, I don't think I have you with me. Now you're coming with me, and we go. I'm coming with you at the side. You know I'm gonna get you, yeah, whatever it takes to get there. No, I won't drop you, like everybody else does. Forget about your friends, they don't care where we go. If we do good and long, still let's ride. You know I'm gonna get you, yeah, whatever it takes to get there. No, I won't drop you like everybody else does. Forget about your friends, they don't care where we go. If we do, they're lost in a crowd of people. I've been looking for you forever, letting we go. Yeah, letting we go. In this crazy world, the truth is that what we got, if you don't feel it, you're coming with me. Oh, I'm coming with you. 'Cause that's how I gotta be found. That's how I gotta be found you. You never have to worry if your blessing is true. Girl, I've been looking for you. When I saw you, I knew that that's how I gotta be found. That's how I gotta be found you. You know I'm gonna get you, yeah. Whatever it takes to get there. You know I won't drop you like everybody else does. Forget about your friends, they don't care where we go. If we do, they're lost in a crowd of people.
Magsalita ka. Magsalita ka. Magsalita. Ha? Magsalita ka. Live ito, live. Sabihin mo, mag-aaral sila ng ano. Beauty.
Okay.
Introducing new Pond's Bright Beauty. Perfect bright bare skin.
Okay. Isa pa daw. Pero yung isa, lahat naman ng mga officer. Saan na si Sir Dong? Saan na yung nanggaling yung officers dance? Pagkatapos ng officers dance, mga guest dance ng umaya. Lahat ng mga ibigay mo na yung tugtog doon.
You know I'm gonna get you, yeah. Whatever it takes to get there. You know I won't drop like everybody else does. Forget about your friends, they don't care who you are.
Yes, isa.
Sige, sige. May nakaupo doon.
Wala nang
May nakaupo dito. Sige.
Buka dyan. Tumupo ka dyan. Tumupo ka dyan. Sino?